Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I am going to be talking about what has been our expenses after starting to plant in the Dominican Republic. As you guys know, I moved to the Dominican Republic around 2 years ago. It's going to be on July 5th. We will be 2 years here in the DR, and we live in the south part of the Dominican Republic where there's a lot of agriculture, and we bought land, we bought a farm, and we decided to start planting, and we are actually almost harvesting eggplants. If you follow me for a view, you guys already know the eggplants are going amazing. I will try to leave some videos here. Right now I'm on my way to San Juan de la Maguana because I'm buying some stuff at the supermarket, and I've been very busy with the business, with my own business. As you guys know, I'm a credit consultant, so it's been very busy, a lot of projects going on, so the recording part has been a little difficult for me. But here I am because I want to update you guys on the eggplants, how it's going. It's going great. We are almost harvesting the first cut of the plants, and probably in the next 7 days we will be doing that. Today we are fertilizing because to keep control of the plagues, of the insects, all of that. And it's going great. So today I wanted to let you know about the expenses that we have had until now, and it is around 653,960 pesos, which translated in a range of what has been the dollar cost here in the Dominican Republic to pesos is around $11,084 that we have invested in the plantation. And what does that include? Well, in the amount that I just gave you, it included a lot of the materials and the materials that we use to fertilize the plants, the actual plants, the cost of buying each plant, the cost of the workers that had been maintaining the farm, is the cost of the ay Dios mío, I'm losing my English after I came to the Dominican Republic, I have to say that. It's like ay Dios mío, herramientas, the tools. Oh my god, the tools. That includes tools that we bought for the maintaining of the farm, like the pumps to put the fertilization, the what else, the tanks for the water to do the fertilization and all of that. So that included all of that. The watering of the plant, because we do it manually. We don't have they call it sistema de goteo here. It's like it's very easy to water the plants. We don't have that yet, that system. We might be able to put it on the next plantation if what we get from it, the profit is good. And yeah, so $11,000 is what we have invested on the plantation to start, and I am very happy and excited. It has been a journey. It has been a journey of learning. I am super happy that we did it because, as you guys know, I've been planning to do something like that since I was in the United States, and I've shared a lot of that with you guys here in the channel. So being able to fulfill what I always wanted to do has been amazing. So the plantation business, what we are doing right now, that's Louis' business. So he's the one that have that under control. You guys know, as I am a credit consultant, like I just said. So I am focused on that, and it could be very hectic to focus on different areas, but I always go and try to keep myself updated on everything that is happening on the farm. I'm very happy, and I will be keeping you guys updated on absolutely everything, like the profit that we are gonna make of this plantation, the what else, the expenses at the end, and all of that. So in case any of you guys are thinking on investing on planting in here, or agriculture here in the Dominican Republic, at least you have an idea. I want to make sure I let you guys know something very important, and is this. And we have a lot of people doing agriculture here, but not everybody want to invest in their plantation the money that is required in order to get a good product out of the plantation. So that is a problem here, and it's not because they don't want to invest, it's because the agriculture from rural areas that are not making tons of dollars because they don't have money to invest in their plantation. So that is a problem. Now there are a lot of agriculture here that are multi-millionaires from agriculture, and they are doing excellent. So everything is going to depend. What I've learned so far is that if you invest in your plantation, you're gonna get a good product. If you don't invest on the necessary things that you need to know on your plantation, you're not gonna get a good product. So that's a thing that I've learned so far. In the expenses, there's also the consultations cost, which is like we pay somebody to tell us what to do because we don't know everything. We don't know about planting yet. We're learning. So that's an investment. And yeah, so that's basically what it is. And yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated on what is going on. I will probably leave some footage here of how the eggplants are looking so far. We are super happy and excited for this project, and I can't wait to have the final results where I can share with you guys what we have learned, the profit that we have made, and why I think that this has been the best investment, tangible investment, because I didn't have a tangible investment here in the Dominican Republic yet that I've ever done. Why? Because I've gone around and asked a lot of the agricultures here on the south part that are in the top tier, and it has been amazing. Like, they have opened my eyes to possibilities that I've never thought before, because I was scared to invest in things that I didn't know. And I have to say, yes, I'm not an expert on agriculture, but I can say that everything is doable. You can learn, or you can hire people that know what the hell they're doing, so that you don't waste your time and you learn with time. So I'm excited for that. And plus, I am investing in my country. I am trying to succeed in my country, and that it's gonna be it is a really good journey and experience. So I'm happy. And yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. I'm sorry that I have not been here because I've been busy, but I will try my best to be here. Thank you so much. And any questions that you have, make sure that you leave it in the comment, and I will see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Ciao.